Good morning, guys. We're out here on a windy, crisp morning. I think the winds are going to get up to 10-15 miles an hour, but check it out. It is overcasted, beautiful today. It's not too cold, not too hot. I think it's like 67, 68 degrees. Man, it's going to be a good morning. Start the morning off. I'm going to be throwing a buzz bait, but before we get after it, as you already know, got to throw in that Jack Link's teriyaki jerky chew. So hang with me, guys. I'm gonna try to get on some good fish, and hopefully we have a successful day like yesterday. Let's get it. Oh yeah. Good morning, boys. Gave him the alarm clock. Woke the little guy up. Got him on the trailer hook. Sheesh. Started off throwing the alarm clock, the buzz bait. We stuck ourselves a little bitty chunk. Not a bad one. Look at that. Just came out. A little short fatty. Thank you, Lord. Yes, sir. Another little bitty one. On the buzz. Thanks, Lord. Barely was hooked also. Look at that. Just dropped in the boat. Yo, Eric!
There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Yo, Eric! It's a nice one.
Come on, buzz baits. Heck yeah, boys. Let's go. That's a chunky boy. All right, guys, so it hadn't been the crazy morning bite that we expected, but I did give me a solid, probably 2.5, 3 pound chunk right there. Look at the gut on that thing. This little guy is a fatty, and check this out. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but look at that. That boy was eating himself a shad. That sucker is huge in there. I don't know if you can see the tail. Massive shad. So our swim bait should be working. Gives me some exciting news. So hopefully we get on some more. Stay with me. This is the third one of the day, and we need some big ones. At least a 5 for the trip. Let's get it.
Yo, Eric. Yeah.
About to blow through one can already. Boys, you want to catch a big fish? Get yourself some Jack Link's jerky chicken. Oh yeah, boys! Got a little chunk, guys. Heck yeah. That boy's feisty. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Check that out, boys. Not a bad one at all. Nice one. Thanks for the fight, buddy.
Come over here, dude. I tied off to a stick and just kicked back.
That's awesome. Oh, I just got one. Nah, it's a 3.
Oh, dang, dude. I saw the splashing over here. It looks massive.
It's pretty good size, dude. Might go 4.
If it's 5, call me. We'll get pictures.
It's not a 5. It's a 4 though. I got it on film.
Okay.
Oh, babe. Let's go. Oh, shoot, dude. Let's go. God, almost lost this thing, dude.
Nice, dude. Little 3. I'll just play, bro. It's gotta go. Let me see. I'll tell you in a second. That's a big fish, dude. That's gotta go 5.
Yeah, he's a 5 for sure. All right, boys. So we just stuck a toad on the buzzbait. Got it zeroed out. Let's see what this old girl goes real quick. Zeroed out. Holding at 5'11". Yes, sir.
Nice, dude.
That's what we needed, boys. Nice freaking toad. Been a while, dude. Alright, boys. Look at that. What a good fish. This girl went 5'11". We're gonna let this one go. Thanks for the battle, girl. That was fun. There she goes. Come on. Woo! That boy Jacob out there getting on him too. He's already stuck. A couple 3s, 2s, and a 4. Boy, this will be a good day of fishing. Let's get it. All right, boys, so I had a heck of a day fishing. So did Jacob. We got out here at 7 a.m. and it is almost 3 o'clock. Jacob's gonna continue to fish. I'm calling it quits because this wind sucks. I hate fishing in the wind. But had a heck of a day. We found them on the chatterbait, the buzzbait, top toad. Didn't really get to pitch the jig this afternoon. We were going to, but this wind's killer. So both of us are making our way in. Jacob's on the other side of the lake working all that. I was working this side, but it's like 6 inches of water right there, so I'm just gonna head to the truck, wait for him, and call it a day. I'd say overall it's freaking awesome. Can't wait for the day 3. Let's get it.